Hello, I'm Mihela. Today we talk about a nearly impossible bird to spot. The Jacksnipe. The Jacksnipe or Jacksnipe is a stocky wader. A small snipe with stripy and cryptic plumage. Spends the non-breeding period in Great Britain, Atlantic and Mediterranean coastal Europe, Africa and India. Their breeding habitat is in northern Europe and northern Russia. Similar in appearance to common snipe, but note shorter bill, dark crown without pale stripe down middle, and white golden stripes or braces down the back. Their breeding habitat is marshes, bogs, tundra and wet meadows with short vegetation. Single birds feed quietly by probing in mud, rarely seen unless flushed, when usually flies up silently from almost underfoot and drops back down. Their calls are like locally named Heen Kasthuduwa. I have not seen the Jacksnipe. Alla in central Sri Lanka, one of the most visited tourist cities. The Nine-Arch Bridge near Alla is possibly the most visited attraction in Alla. A Harry Potter-like setting is an incredible bridge designed by British during colonial Sri Lanka. This one should not be missed.